Steal a look, unpacking the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases. We'll explore the meaning, usage, and some examples of the phrase, steal a look. So, let's get started and uncover what this intriguing expression has in store for us. The phrase, steal a look, suggests a quick or secretive glance at someone or something. It's like taking a moment to observe without wanting to be noticed. It's not about literal stealing. Rather, it's a figurative way to describe an action that is done swiftly and often without permission. The origins of this phrase are not clearly documented, but it's deeply rooted in English language history. The verb, steal, here implies sneakiness or subtlety, and it's used in various contexts that require a discrete action. Now, let's see how to incorporate steal a look into our daily conversations. Here are some examples. During the exam, he tried to steal a look at his classmate's paper. She managed to steal a look at the surprise gift before the party. I caught him stealing a look at me from across the room. When using the phrase, ensure that it fits the context of doing something covertly or quickly. It's not suitable for situations where someone is openly or leisurely observing something. That's a wrap on steal a look. Remember, this phrase is all about taking a quick and secret glance. I hope this video helps you understand and use steal a look confidently in your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.